Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Michael Lobo. Everybody says that you are trying to make an example out of Michael Lobo.
It is not a. It is not
for
a.
two reasons. Number
yes.
one is now he is on the other side of the aisle. ते आज भारतीय जनता पक्षा भितर ना ते काँग्रेसीत गेल्यात आणि विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी जाल्यात. दुसरें येतू व्हडलो जर बोवाळ करपा जाय यू नीडेड अ हेवी टार्गेट and you have found that heavy target in Michael Lobo.
No, I don't even bother about this individual. This individual has nothing to do with me. Neither I am in conversation with this individual. I only want to tell the people of Goa that what we need to do now is we need to rectify certain things. And irrespective whether A comes in the zone or B comes in the zone or C comes in the zone, it does not really matter anymore. Now,
Officers cannot be blamed.
No, एक लक्षात घ्या. There is no point in blaming a small officer. He reports to the minister or he reports to the concerned authority chairman. And also many times he is under pressure from that concerned authority chairman or a minister. And he is bound to act.
तुम्ही एक गजाल एडमिट करतात की ह्यो ज्यो PDS आसा they had become cash cows of politicians.
I don't want to get into a debate on what is a cash cow and what is not a cash cow. But one thing I can tell you that on the Chief Minister's way of ease of doing business, no file comes to me as town planning minister, but everything related to policy definitely comes to me.
So are you disappointed the way PDS used to function till now?
You in saying that I am, whether it is disappointment, I never get disappointed.
No, please चाललं ते पळोवन.
ना काय disappointment I have the capacity to course correct. I am course correcting it.
कारण जेन्ना RP 2031ची उलयतात
तेन्ना ज्यो गजाली
आज ODP भितर करपाक सोदतात त्योच पुराय गोंया खातीर रिफ्लेक्ट जातल्यो काय कितें?
हे जे आमी कितें करूंक सोदता ह्यो जे points, it is not only reflected to ODP areas. It is going to be reflected in order to bring a RP. We have also had to we have to make an amendment now to have localized zoning plans for different localities.
सद्याक सगळे जाण म्हणटा की तुम्ही कितें जर प्रश्न विचारलो जाल्यार कोण तो मायकल, कोण तो अमित पाटकार अशें म्हणटा.
आसूं तें आतां तें केन्ना केन्ना राजकारणान आमकां केन्ना केन्ना ह्या तरेचे वळख विसरता. आतां कोणाक दिसता की म्हाका मेमरी लॅप जाला तेका म्हाका हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदता ल्हानपणान कॉलेजीन बीन आसतना म्हाका फोटोग्राफीक मेमरी आशिल्ली हांव विसरना कितेंच सगळ्या गोश्टी याद उरता.
अजून मेरेन मुख्यमंत्र्यान तुम्ही येदो व्हडलो जो खवदळ घाला बरो खवदळ त्या बरो खवदळाचेर हुंय म्हणला चुंय म्हणला हें आमी कितें समजोवप? तुमकां सपोर्ट आसा म्हणप काय हाजेर उलोवपाचें ना म्हणप?
हे पळय मुख्यमंत्री ही इज माय डायरेक्ट बॉस.
Do you have absolute, unconditional and complete support of the Chief Minister for what you are doing?
My Chief Minister should support me and support
should
me. My
Chief
Chief, no, I have not finished my.
Okay.
Maka second line chirus kapta.
Bari.
My Chief Minister will always support all the good that I am doing. From time to time, whatever has to be briefed to him, that briefing is between me and him. The Chief Minister's support is definitely there because the Chief Minister has given us enough independent freedom to function as ministers. As senior ministers, we definitely have more weightage in dealing with our portfolio.